Hello, techies. This is comptia lab further 2.4 lab, and we are going to troubleshoot system startup. So you work at a computer repair store. A customer brought in a computer and asked you to upgrade the motherboard. You replace the motherboard with a newer model, but the computer will not boot now. In this lab, your task is to diagnose and correct the problems with these systems. You will know you've successfully corrected all the problems when the computer boots to Windows and stays powered on for 10 seconds. All right, in this scenario, all of the problems are things that could occur when replacing a motherboard. Okay. All right. Fair enough. Let us start up immediately. Mm-hmm. So let's see. Let's try to put this on the computer field. Okay. Let's turn this to the back. Ensure that you turn off the power supply that is going into the uh, the system, and ensure that this is turned on. So the power supply was turned off before, the cable wasn't plugged in and it didn't turn on. So let's take this back to front and try to turn this on and see what happens. So it looks like the computer is booting, so we'll wait for this to boot. All right, the computer has shut down again, so definitely something is wrong somewhere. So it boots up but shuts down before 10 seconds. So let's go to the back and turn this off and go into the motherboard, and inside the motherboard we want to let's see, let's move this here, let's move this here. Okay, so we just inspect the motherboard to see what the problem might be. Could it be RAM? Could it be RAM related issues? We have to troubleshoot. Troubleshoot means checking all of the components that could result in that problem of system shutting down. Could it be the fan, that the fan is not cooling enough, or the fan doesn't cool the processor? Of course, if the fan doesn't cool the processor, after certain times the system will turn off just to protect the PC when the heat is too much. So that is another area of consideration. So let's see, look at the specifications of this particular motherboard and see what we have here. Okay. CPU, the connector is backward. Okay. Heatsink assembly in place. Um, mm, 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 Okay, so we have the pin here for the power supply. Okay, all right, so we are good to go. So we have the pin here. This is the pin here. So so we see if we can remove this cooling fan and replace it with another. So let's plug this in here, and let's move this to this side. Let's move this here. Let's turn this to the back. Let's turn this here. Let's turn this to the front, and let's try to power on the PC. So if this turns on and stays longer than 10 seconds, so we know that it is a fan, and you can just go ahead and attach the fan. So what we're just doing basically is just testing. If you notice, I just plug in the fan. I didn't really attach it in to the processor area. So I just want to test to make sure that the problem is from the fan. So let's wait. We have to wait for like 10 seconds or more. If the system stays on for 10 seconds or more, that means this is okay. So it has to be 10 seconds or more. So let's see. Let's set to the processor into i7 960. Okay. So I think this is more than 10 seconds now. So the problem is most likely the cooling fan on the heatsink. So let's go ahead and score lab, so we see how we do. So let's score this lab now, and this is 100%. You know what to do. If you find this video helpful, share in other educational platforms so that other students can benefit. Also, like and subscribe. If you have further questions, hit me up in the comment section, and you can use the WhatsApp attached to this video also to reach me. Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck. Peace.